we're doing what's old and what's new. This is the 1929 Indian Scout. You got to check out the speedometer here, the braking system, the engine. 1929 Indian Scout, immaculate condition. Check it out. And then we scroll over to the new. And this Indian is a version of a 101 Scout 2024. Check out the Indian Scout. And let's take you back in history to the 1929 Indian Scout 101. What a difference in comparison, everybody. You got the old, you got the new. Look at the springs in the front. Comparison to the hydraulics of the new. 2024, 1929. What a machine. Back then, this was the bike to own. Today, this is the bike to own. A new Indian Scout. Just give you another version of a 224 Indian Scout. Nice looking machine. Another little version of an Indian. Little cruiser. I don't see the Chief here. The Chief is not here. And they even make a Ram Indian Scout truck. Check it out. Presented by Progressive. And then in the back there, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Wackos. We're gonna nail the Wackos with the SWAT. Daytona Beach Police, check them out. And on that note, with the old and the new, this gentleman's looking for a motorcycle for his dog. We got a bike for everybody. Betsy got a motorcycle?
Yes, you got a trike.
Got a trike, I love it. And where are you from, sir?
We live in a bus.
In a bus?
So we're in North Carolina in the summer, Key West in the winter.
Well, I hope you're okay in North Carolina.
Where I'm at's good, the rest of it's tore apart.
I know.
Where are you from?
Just been there, from Miami, but we just came back from North Carolina.
She's from Miami.
Great. Anyhow, pleasure talking to you. Have a great time here. Be safe.
All right, are you with Indian?
I am absolutely not with Indian, but I could be an Indian.
No,
Like at the Wacko in New England, I'm part Indian. Anyhow,
thank you.
enjoy Daytona. And on that note, we got Junior here wrapping up the Indian display. Junior, you don't look happy.
Oh, I'm good.
He's good.
Hot.
He's on a Can-Am though.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you, those motorcycles are nice. And Indians, nice model designs and not bad price.
Nice bikes.
Yeah, they are.
But you love the Can-Ams.
Yeah.
Can-Am's a good bike.
Yeah, they are.
Enjoy, everybody. Daytona 24, October Bike Fest.